Baitman and Rodin checking in here. Beautiful day in the bay, just gonna go out. Slay it. Sorry.
Yep, that's us. Baitman and Rodin.
We're gonna get it, eh?
Jump on us now. You want it? to Yamaha 40. Bro, I've been saying it's 40 horsepower. It's like 50 horsepower. It's selling my boat short.
Zoom.
Engage these massive quads of mine. Back, straight, down, up. And it still hurts my back. Pan out to the shit,
bro.
Bro.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. He's got.
Whoa, bro. What a setup.
50 horsepower, Yamaha, Chevy Marine trailer. Sniper Car 1450 Frontier.
First time I've used it all year.
On the back of a
Wow, that's why. Look at
little Hilux.
Look at it. Where the fuck am I standing? Where am I standing?
I don't know, bro. This guy fucking can't leave because every time you leave, he leaves fucking one thing behind. Well, where did you leave him? Where's your glasses, bro?
Your ass.
Off to the cut, I think. I don't think we've ever been there. We've never been to the cut. Supposed to leave ages ago, but the bro's not got his glasses. Where did you? You leave it in your car, bro?
Oh, hello.
Oh, you got it. Oh. You can wear these ones, bro.
Yep.
Because they're fucking hurting me. Do you want to wear them? I've got.
You got others?
I've got my boat glasses.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck. Fucking right out and shit. Things I do for people, man. I'm just a giver. Just give my time, give my glasses. You know, it's just one of those things in life. Anyways, we're off. See? I actually had to dribble well, I haven't thought this up in ages, isn't it? How much did you go in diesel though?
Diesel?
91 diesel. 100.
Te Whero's maiden voyage. Down the cut. Glass off. Yo! What have you done, bro? What have you done?
I may have left the boat keys. Take it home.
For fuck's sakes! Wow. I just got to the cut and found myself alone because our old mate Rodin forgot the keys to the boat, so had to send him home to pick them up, and I'm just gonna chill here, sunbathe, and enjoy a bit of peace and quiet by myself. Ka pai te rā.
Got it!
That's right.
I got a speeding ticket, but I got it.
Good on you,
Sir!
We're on.
How do I get on?
To that, mate.
We're back.
Woo!
Oh, this thing out.
So about to cross the bar out here, Kaituna at the cut.
Tuna.
So first things first, put your life jackets on, check the conditions, and send it.
See you, sir.
Pretty gnarly out there today. So we'll just
know what you're doing and shit.
quietly approach it, get after it.
Yeah?
Fuck.
What's going on? Bird nest. After about 40 minutes of fucking around, we're out in the water. A few great learnings. What's the great learning? Leave your trailer key on your boat key. So when you go to take the boat out, you've got the keys. But I used to leave the boat keys on the boat, and then anyways, that's just it's another good learning. You know, you just got to smile and take the learnings. And don't let Kurt do your anchor, set up your anchor, because I've never touched it. It's the first time looking at it. It looks like that. Anyways, we're off. Woo! Cut Hawaii, baby. Cut Hawaii, baby.
Oh, couple head nods. Oh!
Oh my god, oh my god.
Bro, what are you gonna do? What is it? What is it? What do you need?
I need the net.
Shit!
I need the fucking net.
Shit!
Oh my days, bro!
Woo!
Oh my days.
Nice, brother.
It's a good day.
We've won. We've already won the day.
Bro. I'm so happy.
Leave your keys at home again.
Oh,
Nice, brother.
Thank you, bro.
First fish on the boat ever.
What?
Oh.
First day of the year on this boat.
Yeah, brother. Well done, brother.
Wait, she's. Oh.
Yes.
Ah,
Oh,
boy.
nice fingernails.
See you later, buddy.
First one back, eh?
Sounds
Good
good,
omens,
baby.
bro.
Oh my god.
Well done, brother. Hard to stand up on these little boats, man. Easy just to play from the comfort of your own seat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are we feeling? Is it head nods?
Head nods.
Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. Can I catch a solo, bro, without me touching it? Yourself, or?
We've got colour.
We have two. We have two. What colour? What colour? You see it? I will take you behind the scenes. Oh no, Jackson. Yeah.
Hey.
Yes, bro! Yes, bro! I'm real stupid handshake. Woohoo! Oh my day! Oh, swallow the hook too.
Swallow the hook. Bugger, hey, man. Oh, fucking hell!
Oh my days!
Just sort of back up to your dish in the mouth.
Oh, Bob's drunk.
Here's yarn. There it is, yarn.
Put it in our slurry. As you can see, of ice and water.
That's the combination for us.
Oh, double hookup! Double hookup! Oh shit! I don't know what to do! How do I film this? Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's a better one too.
Fuck, this is a big one, bro.
Bro, this is a big one, bro. Bro, mine's just, oh, he's taking me to the reeds. He's taking me to the weeds. Look, double hookup. Wait, hold the camera, hold the camera.
I can't hold the camera.
I'm not talking to this other bloke on the boat. Hold the camera. Oh, bro, that's nice, bro. Oh, I don't know. Where's the net? Get the net. What's the fuck? I'll get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna lose it.
Give me a...
Oh, do you want it?
Oh, shit. That fucking hurt. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my god. Okay, we got that baby right there. Oh my days, bro.
This is pellets, bro.
It's a pelletless, bro.
Oh, bro.
What pellets? What are you talking about?
Hey.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
There's so much going on here. Hold on.
Fiddle.
It's a fiddle, baby. It's a fucking fiddle, baby.
Oh, fell hooker.
Kohanga reo. That's good, bro. Shirt. Well, we need a. Where's that gaff? The gaff guy. He's got the connections.
Double hook up, baby.
Sir, yes,
Oh!
sir. Sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
Rodin.
Woo! Holy. Good size fish. Good boy. Spot X.
Where are we again?
Tell him.
I don't even know about it. Or could have reef fish, I think. What is it?
Put a reef.
Holy heck, that cousin.
It's a nice fish, brother. Proud of you, brother. Right.
Oh, that's what people do, I put it by the
Lean back, hold it out. Hey.
Really slow again.
Oh. We're stuck in here. Oh no. Fuck. Shit. Yep. Oh, good fish. Fuck, we're stuck. The GoPro's stuck. Oh yeah, we're on now. We're back, baby. Oh, that's a good fish, bro.
Hit that bait.
Yes, bro.
Josh Hui, the bait presentation.
Ah, day of all days, horse. Nice Rodin. Oh,
Like I've made amends for my.
it's good fish to need the net, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, another nicey.
Oh my fucking days, bro! Sorry, I'm on your. Oh, I'm on your thing there. Oh, you can't beat it. Alright. Just literally turn the camera off after we caught this one. The bro's on here. That's alright. What's it? Is it quite heavy?
Yep.
Holy shit.
Bloody shark. Get out of the lead. Yes.
Look at one. Whoa. Nice one. What the heck? Oh shit. Quite
Got me in the weeds here, you see? And we wrapped around a rock. I can see if I can pump them out.
Yeah, that's it. Check it out. Oh, look at the ankles on that.
Fish like that. Put my chin up. Alright. Yeah, there's like 20 pounders in it, and they're just like real heavy. It's like a good bait.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think it's a shark, but
Hasn't even went up yet. It's a big step in the pond. Screaming. See, it's been slowly making its way up. What is that thing, man? Oh, I hope the guy's got a bit of jewelry. Oh shit! Oh, I'm losing it. I'm getting it. Double hook up. It's coming right to me. I can't know how to do this thing. Oh, fuck you!
oh no! Don't worry, I got it.
Oh shit, no. Oh my god, my thing just fucking.
Oh fuck!
Oh, sorry. Go. Oh, sorry. The fucking GoPro thing's on my line. The GoPro's stuck on my fucking.
Oh, it's not. Sorry.
Shit! You want to see that? Go. Stop doing that. Yes! What is that? Oh, snap.
There's a fucking net.
Oh, shit! What's in it?
I'll do it myself, don't worry about it. I'll do it myself.
Sorry. Cameraman! I'm cameraman!
Come here.
Fuck, that's a good size fish, bruv! Oh, yes. Go, you good freaking thing.
Te Whero.
Te Whero, man. Oh my days. It's a good freaking fish, bro.
It's a good fish, bro. Yes, man.
Come on. Oh, it's a good fish. Hold that to the camera, bro. Show the camera. Oh, listen.
In the sun.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh. Oh, shit, bro. Woo! Got a good day.
Good day.
Had a good day.
Rodin, got the keys back in the car. I made it back to the cut nice and safe. Ew. Oh no! It happened. It fucking happened. Oh well, eh? Seriously.
Honestly, he's not actually that nice. Just put him in a good day.
Here, yeah, Rodin, put that on there now. Hurry up. Wind it in now. Oh well. That was fun. Cheers, mate. Thanks for your help. Legend.
Ah.
Yep, not ideal. Less than. Fuck. And that's a wrap, folks. Good day on the water.
Easy as, bro.
Sir.
I reckon, seeing as I lost the keys, left the keys, that's the only reason we got good fish. Because I timed it perfectly. If we went earlier, would have just been a shit day. I don't know, you tell me.